Hi there, this is Estella Wu from Shokz. We are excited to be here at InfoComm 2026. This year we are introducing our brand new bone conduction headset, OpenMeet2. It's the overhead professional communication headset for the office scenarios. It's featured Shokz open ear design and it's only 77.9 grams, so it's very light and very comfortable. And also it's very stable. As you can see, there are two wings on the side of the headband, which created the secure and stable fit, while also keeping it very comfortable throughout the day. Also, it's one of the greatest point of the upgrade from the previous generation. At Shokz, our mission is to make the communication experience more comfortable, wearable, and natural. And we believe this product can bring this experience to more people. And if you would like to learn more about our brand or our product, we welcome you to visit pro.shokz.com. Thank you.